She wants to know when the punishment of God comes on some people, the good and bad people will be punished on the same level.
I remember that, but I want the actual verse to be read.
Okay. So this is verse number 17 from Surah Bani Israel.
You fear that punishment in which good people will also be, will not be spared.
That's right.
The meaning of this, yes.
Verse number 17 from Surah Bani Israel. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. وَإِذَا أَرَدْنَا أَن نُهْلِكَ قَرْيَةً أَمَرْنَا مُتْرَفِيهَا فَفَسَقُوا فِيهَا فَحَقَّ عَلَيْهَا الْقَوْلُ فَدَمَّرْنَاهَا تَدْمِيرًا. Translation is, and when we intend to...
इसके बाद वो पढ़े ना, good people वाला. Fear that punishment from Allah, it is that which she is asking about. Be afraid of that punishment in which good people will also be, will also suffer along with good people. Bad people will also suffer. No, good people also, along with bad people. Is that what you want? Yes.
Very
clearly, in one of the verses, Allah Ta'ala warns us that specifically fear that punishment in which good people will also suffer along with the bad people. This is actually what she wants to find out, why good people should suffer along with bad people. This verse speaks of many such happenings in which sometimes good people cannot be spared separately, but Allah takes account of them and rewards them in the hereafter for their suffering here. For instance, if there is atomic holocaust, a large number of people will suffer, but maybe those who are very close to Allah, they will not suffer. But still there will be less good people, comparatively, who suffer to a degree, and that punishment is so widespread that Allah warns the mankind against such punishment. When the good people suffer, Allah has a separate account of them. He rewards them for their suffering here in the hereafter. And not all the good people suffer. This is wrong to conclude. Some good people suffer, and for them there is a reward in the hereafter. Like some good people suffer from diseases of which they have no control. They meet accidents and this and that. According to the understanding of the Holy Quran, and the Hadith fully supports it, such people will be rewarded in the hereafter in the manner that they will be consoled. Then they look back at their suffering as a very small thing, and the reward to be very big.